Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Action Dropdown in Asana for automation. This feature lets you trigger specific actions automatically whenever you update a custom dropdown field, saving you time and keeping your workflow consistent across your team. Let's start by navigating to your Asana project. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on Customize. This opens up all the configuration options for your project, including the automation features we'll be working with today. In the customization panel, click on Rules, then click the plus Add button. This is where you'll build your custom automation from the ground up. When the rule templates appear, scroll down and click Start from Scratch at the bottom. Starting from scratch gives you complete control over exactly how your automation will work. Now you'll need to give your rule a clear name. At the top of the screen, you'll see a field labeled Add Rule Name. Type in something descriptive so you can easily identify what this rule does later. Once that's done, we'll move on to defining the trigger. Click the plus when button and scroll through the options until you see a field labeled something like Field Name is changed. In this example, we're using an action field, so you'll select Action is changed. This tells Asana to watch for any changes to that specific drop-down field. Next, click plus, check if, and select your existing drop-down field by name from the list. This step is crucial because it allows you to narrow down which specific option in the dropdown will trigger the automation. After selecting the field, choose the exact dropdown option you want to use as the trigger. For example, you might select Assign or Review depending on what you've set up in your field. Now comes the action itself. Click plus, do this, and choose what you want to happen automatically. For instance, you could select Move to Section and then choose a section like Ongoing. This means whenever someone selects your trigger option from the dropdown, the task will automatically move to that section. Fill in any additional required details for the action to make sure it works exactly as intended. Once everything is configured, click Publish Rule in the upper right corner to activate your automation. To test it, go to any task in this project and select the trigger option from your dropdown field. You should see the automation run immediately and the action performed automatically without any manual effort. And that's it, you've successfully set up drop-down automation in Asana. This will streamline repetitive workflows and ensure tasks move through your project consistently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.